I welcome you in. Your mom says her heart is broken. Do you hear her when she talks to you? Do you hear her when she talks to you? Is there anything you want to say? You were excited about what? Hello everyone, I have a spectacular clip for you today. This was recorded just a couple of days ago during my member group sessions for my YouTube members. I called out to a son for a mother, and there was some direct communication. It's absolutely beautiful. And over the last 2 to 3 weeks, the sessions have been elevating again. Just last week I shared a video with you where a spirit showed his light after validating he was behind the box. We see that little light anomaly travel up the crystal, which validates everything spirits have said about when we leave our body, we turn into a ball of light energy and we can fly. That was amazing. That's never happened before during a session. Also, I want to thank you guys. I recently put up some prints for sale of some artwork I created, and we sold over 100 prints in the last 2 weeks alone. I'm adding new creations every week. If you missed that or want to check them out, you can see a link in the description below to the shop. I just added one yesterday called Together Forever, symbolizing soulmates going into the light together. But thank you guys so much, those of you who ordered one of those prints. Let's get on to the clip. It's absolutely beautiful, and I hope you enjoy it. Moving on to Michelle Alot. My name is Michelle Alot, and I would truly love for you to reach out to my 26-year-old son, Jaden Holberton, who passed in September of a massive heart attack. Holy cow, at 26, I am so sorry. Is he listening to me when I talk to him? And does he have any messages for me? Are you in the light? You come back. Are you in heaven? Did you find that light? Your mom would love to hear from you. She only wants to make on this, yes. Can we connect to Jaden? Your mom would love to hear from you. Do you feel the love? I welcome you in. Your mom says her heart is broken. Do you hear her when she talks to you? Do you hear her when she talks to you? Is there anything you want to say? You were excited about what? Well, that's it for today, my friends. I love you all so much. Love is always the key in this life. Remember that. Live it. Love it. I love saying love is the key. It's a beautiful day out here. We are going to spend it, me and Debbie. I don't know what we're going to do, but we're going to hang out outside and make it a good day. So have a great weekend, everyone. I will see you next time.